Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Baking Secrets by Anna. In today's video we are going to make vegan chocolate chip cookies. They are so easy to make and they are so delicious, so let's get started. To start off, in a big mixing bowl you are going to add your brown sugar, white sugar and vegetable oil. And you're going to mix this until everything is well combined using an electric hand mixer. Now that our mixture is ready, you're going to add in your non-dairy milk, vanilla extract, and you're going to mix this until everything is well incorporated. Lastly, we are going to add in our mixture salt, baking powder, baking soda and flour. We are going to give it a last mix until your dough is formed. Our dough is formed and I'm going to add in my chocolate chips and I'm going to fold them in using a spatula. Our dough is now ready and we are going to roll out our cookies. I'm using an ice cream scooper of about 1 tablespoon and gently I'm going to scoop out our cookies. This dough makes about 12 cookies and you're going to place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Because these cookies are going to spread into the oven, I'm going to put 6 in each tray. Using your hands, take your cookie mixture and roll it into a ball into your hands. Our cookies are ready now and we are going to chill them before baking for about 30 minutes until they are nice and firm, and then we are going to bake them at 175 degrees Celsius for about 12 minutes. Our cookies came out of the oven and have cooled down completely. They look so delicious and can be served right away. Thank you for watching guys, hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for next week's video.